Welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and Dr. Ross and I were at Waco News yesterday. We'll put the video link right here.
Addressing the teens' efforts to solve gun violence.
Sienna and Sebastian Ross were taken out of public school years ago.
Our parents noticed that, the school systems were not very safe, so we got homeschooled.
We were filming a segment about the gun violence and prevention, starting with metal detectors and putting them in all schools across the state of Texas. We're going to get into our hot topics for today, and we're going to make it short and sweet since we know it's getting close to the Memorial Weekend. But we're going to start it off with King Charles. So that's right, Charles is now the king, and they had him all play it out, but with the full outfit and the golden chalice, the golden crown. And I must say, this is one of the most playa photos I've ever seen of Charles. King Charles, let me correct myself. And speaking of that, we're actually going to do a switch up for the She's Hot contest, making our winners for this week none other than Miss Camilla, a two-time winner, and we're making a new category, the He's Hot, starting it off with Mr. King Charles. That's right, for King Charles, we all know the reason why we had to give him the win, because he is doing it right, being playa. But these were all of our hot topics. We're going to keep it short and sweet, but make sure to stay tuned for all of the updates and for all of our latest interviews coming up soon, because we will keep you posted. But you have to make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and share this video to all your friends and family so they can see all the new hot topics coming up. We'll see you all in the next episode. Kylie Jenner, that's sweet.